Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
Sold on approval. Sold on approval.
Alright guys, so we just picked it up. Have no idea what's wrong with it. Let us just show you quick. Okay, right here it hit the radiators. You can see pretty bad. So the hose is broken. Okay, the heater hose, there is no antifreeze, and on those you cannot even, I don't think you have the dipstick. You have to check it on the inside. So what I'm going to do, I'll just start it for a few seconds because I don't want to overheat the car, the first thing. Okay, no coolant. And second, I don't want to risk it running without oil. I just want to see if it can move back and forth one foot and if it's going to start. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that now. We have everything here in the minivan. One of the jump starters. Okay, let's connect it and see if it's going to fire up now. And on the inside, okay, we're going to have a more detailed video what it comes with. It's a little bit dirty sport package with sport seats, so not bad at all. Inside we have connection here now with the battery. You can see the screen is illuminating, so let's go ahead and see. Yep, it fired right up and we're moving, so you can see that's a good sign. All the lights will be on, of course, because of that battery all the way, so we need to diagnose that. I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. There is no oil light, but there is a coolant light. So stay with us and let's see what it looks like on the inside. It's a little bit dirty, we need detail, but you're going to see that thing will look like brand new once we shampoo the carpet. We need to repair the handle here. You can see, yeah, definitely dirty car, but it's a good buy, I think, for what it is. It comes with a hitch as well. So let's go ahead and see what else we got. We have the glass roof right here. That's a good option. Alright guys, so what we did now, we actually hauled it here to a shopping center here, so we can stop at the parking lot and we can unhook the rear drive shaft, because you know the dolly and all-wheel drive BMW, that's not a good combination. So we just hauled it less than half a mile so we can come here. What we're going to do now, we're going to jack it up and we're going to unhook the rear drive shaft. That way we can bring it home, because we're close. We're about 1 hour away, not very far away, maybe even 40 minutes. So let's go ahead and do that now. So what we did right here, as you can see, we have the hitch, so we lift it up on the rear side and we have the jack stand there in place. That way now we can go ahead actually and disconnect the drive shaft right there, guys. You can see already taking some of the bolts off. That's where that flex disc is as well. So once we disconnect it, I'm going to show you what it looks like. So as you can see guys, we took the flex disc out. Okay, that's usually a thing that goes bad, so we need to inspect that for cracks. So far it looks good, but I need to squish it, so I need to see if it has any stress points. 6 bolts, 3 that connect that flex disc to the drive shaft and 3 to the differential actually on the back side. And let us show you what it looks like on underneath actually the vehicle now. Alright guys, so we're gonna head home now and we are going to shoot a little bit more to see more of the inside, so we can explain what it looks like, see what it looks like, because we even haven't seen too much right now. So we got it home guys, we're gonna wash it quick, okay, because we need to degrease it a little bit. You can see the engine's pretty bad, so we're going to do that as well in a little bit. We're gonna do the outside and the engine. We don't have any open intake hoses, so I'm just going to degrease this one quick and we'll show you at the end what it's gonna look like. So this is it guys, that's what it looks like clean now under the hood. You can see quite a bit of damage here to the radiator fan support. Radiator looks fine, but the hose is broken here, and the condenser we found out has a leak, the AC condenser. So we'll start taking this thing apart very soon, rebuilding it. We'll have a video that explains how to buy cars from Copart if you live in a place that requires license, dealer license, and you don't have one. How to do that. Since we live in California, you have to have a license, but we still get cars from Copart. We'll share that guys, we'll explain the procedure, and we'll have a Copart weekly special coming soon, so make sure you subscribe to the channel for more tips and ideas. Thank you for watching. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.